I'm just mixing some Glenda pigment powder along with some Coachella glitter. I'm using this earring mold from PDB Creative Studio to pour in the glitter mix. I'm just going to zap it with a heat gun and then let it set overnight for 24 hours. Now I cut this vinyl using adhesive holographic vinyl. I trace the earrings on an acetate sheet and I'm just cutting it out. Once I have the acetate cut out, I'm just going to take an adhesive transfer sheet and transfer the vinyl onto the acetate. And all you have to do is just line it up and press firmly. I'm using rubbing alcohol and I just sprayed that onto the acetate to remove any of the marks that I used to cut out. Now I'm just placing it onto an earring hook and you're done.